There may be moments that work has seemed to disappear that you've worked on in a Microsoft Teams assignment, or you need to find a recently opened file. When you're in Teams, you can find all your files, including different versions of a file, by going to the three dots More, choosing our Files icon. On the left, you will see all of the recent files, including dates that they were modified. So you may see files that have the same name, but their modification date is different. So if you go to the newest or the oldest version, you'll be able to find the version that you want, perhaps the version where all of the work is completed. And we can save that file to be able to upload with the Add Work button in an assignment in case it's not saving the way it should. To do that, we're going to click the three dots and send a copy. It's going to download the copy, and you're going to choose Save to Files. Here, you can either save it to your Files folder on the iPad by choosing On My iPad, or you can save it right to your OneDrive. My suggestion is to do it via OneDrive. However, if you do not have a strong internet connection, On My iPad will ensure that there is a copy saved and that you can upload it to your OneDrive when you can reestablish an internet connection. Once it's saved, you can choose the Add Work button in an assignment and attach it through either folder, OneDrive or from My iPad.